Hey everyone, this is a chain together checkpoints guide. So the first thing you need to make sure is that you're actually in the beginner mode, not in the normal mode, because in normal mode they don't have checkpoints available, but this can be found in the beginner mode. And how to get them, as you can see, when you approach a checkpoint, you'll automatically find like a green circle around it, and it will be pretty noticeable. So what all you need to do is just head over. Sorry, it will be a yellow ring, and you need to head over to it, and then it's gonna turn into green. And after you've like stand in the middle of it, after you've stood there, all you need to do is just return to the main menu, click on save and quit game, and then from the main menu you can select like the solo mode, and it will be found in the load save file section, and you can automatically teleport there. And there you go, this is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.